Hi, my name is Adrienne Knapp from Jamison Shaw Hairdressers, and today I want to show you how to blow dry your own bang. So the tools you'll need to achieve this look are a blow dryer with a nozzle, a round brush, preferably a boar bristle or a wooden brush to allow you to achieve tension, a volumizer of your choice, just something to achieve height, and a clip. So first you're going to apply the volumizer at your scalp, right where your bang is. Take both sides of your part, depending on where your part is. You can do it towards the center and on the sides, but you will essentially be drying the whole front to get a seamless look. Then you'll want to clip off just the first part of your bang, about an inch back, and you will take your brush and you will lay it at the scalp, gathering both sections of your part. Taking the hair dryer from behind, you will go in an upward motion to create volume. Once you have dried that piece, you will go throughout the middle to the ends, drying towards your face. Once that is dry, you can separate the hair and you will have a seamless section on both sides. Then you will continue around your hairline and around your whole face to create a seamless look throughout. That way you can go and change your part depending on the look that you want to do.